Before draping the microscope, make sure the binocular tubes are configured in the correct position. And check that the balancing has been done properly. The non-sterile nurse should open the drape for the scrub nurse. Grab the drape with the hand picture facing you. Unfold the drape, first to the left and then to the right. The instructions must be upright and facing you. You will find several rubber bands. Detach them and keep them with you, as they will later be useful to help secure the drape. Find the hand sticker and slide your hand inside the drape to find the lens cover. Hold the tab containing the white dot with your thumb, and the other tab with your index finger. Lift the lens cover at the same time as the remaining drape. Match the white dot on the lens cover with the black dot on the microscope, and twist to the right until you feel it is secure and locked into place. Move the drape over the microscope head and pull it over the rest of the arm. Your circulator can assist you, pulling the drape from inside over the microscope arm and wrapping the last band. It's now time to drape the eyepieces. The drape has several eyepiece covers. Choose the middle one from the 3 facing you to drape the surgeon's eyepiece. Then use the other ones depending on the number of eyepieces to be draped. Be careful, the eyepiece drapes are perforated at their end. It is important to be gentle in order to avoid any detachment. Secure the drape using the Velcro straps. Put the remaining drape inside the empty space. Make sure the drape is not covering the lens. Wrap the bands around the microscope head and arm, placing them tape to tape and not tape to plastic, and making sure the drape is fitted to the microscope. Check that the straps are attached around the microscope head and around the arm as shown in the images. If necessary, the rubber bands can be used to keep the drape tighter to the handles and the main surgeon and assistant binocular tubes. Rotate the microscope to ensure that it can be moved easily in all directions. The drape shouldn't interfere with microscope movement. You are now ready to work with the Leica microscope.